Säätiedotus merenkulkijoille. Odotettavissa huomiseen keskipäivään asti.
Okay. Yeah, so I got new bass plate, I got some plastic covers, and I guess we'll get to this sometime soon. Maybe not today, but we are heading to the Enduro track again tomorrow, so at least I need that new bass plate and these covers. So let's see how it goes. At first we could install these. As you can see, there is already some kind of wear over there. So let's clean up that first and see what we'll do next. I guess WD for these, right, for this one. Yeah. Yeah, my grass bars have started to get some little rust. Maybe better lubricate these too. Nice job, Yamaha. Nice job. So, where were we? Yeah, installing these plastics. Yeah, nice. Ooh, Tenere. Nice. Yeah, I guess that's not the right one. I hope this one is, because if it isn't, there isn't enough sides on this bike. Okay, so how do we attach this? Like any other self-respecting manufacturer, they are offering me rubber bands. Rubber bands. Well, if that's what you want, rubber bands I shall use. You know, zip ties. Oh man, they would have been professional thing compared to this. Okay, it's already attached. I outsmarted myself again. Nope, 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 nope. I got a better idea. A little length of Ford repairing kit usually makes things lots easier. Let's see. Alrighty. So that's one way to do it. Well, how about this side? Tenere, Tenere. Yeah, nice, nice. Well, this isn't easy job at all. Well, I need longer piece of Ford repairing kit. Here we go. Ooh, look at this. Nice. Well, it would be nice if this one was a little longer. As you can see, the paint is already gone from there, but yeah, better than nothing. And next, these are closely related to this. I have to replace the blinkers and the tail tidy, because this is the Enduro style exhaust. It goes up there. So we should take the old bass plate off. I remember it was 8mm head, but let's see. And it is. I'm almost like professional. There is already a little dent over here and over here, so it's right time to change it for something stiffer. I gotta take this one off also, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it seems that I have to take it off. Yeah, so let's see. Montage material. Mounting kit. Nice. Assembly and safety instructions. Nice. So, in short, there is a bass plate. Which side this should be? Yeah, like this. So, there is a bass plate and you put it on. Nice. Some hair included. Nice. Oh man, the man flu. The worst enemy of mankind. Oh my god. My bass plate is going to get scratches.